me. Hi, Johnny. And where are the monarchy today? It's their weekend with their dads. But I couldn't refuse the chance to be star witness in this extremely televised showbiz trial.
This is brilliant. Johnny thinks he's so much better than me, he'll tell the jury I'm less talented. Case closed.
Oh, yes. She's awesome. Amazing. She is far, far, far too talented. You know, if Nova went to space prison and never released any more singles, I'd be so sad. I'd probably have to release a chart-topping ballad about it or something. Janet Hughes.
Hello, Nova, dear. It's me. You.
Oh, it's one of my superfans who dresses up as me.
Would you say your hero, Nova, was a talented singer?
Oh, yes, so talented. Too talented, really. Every Nova fan says the same thing.
And is that your full opinion, former President Honk? A very detailed answer indeed. Beat that! After 74 whole witnesses all saying how fabulous Nova is, I rest my case.
Clozo's the baby planet diva done had 74 witnesses so far. Everyone I've met thinks I'm really talented. It's awful. My life's so confusing right now.
Not everyone.
The defense calls sensation.
What?
Who? The girl from the clip last night.
Sensation doesn't like you at all, Nova. There's a chance this just might save you.
Hello? Miss Sensation.
What? Would you say Nova Jones is a very talented singer?
If I had to, I'd say I'm a terrific singer. I really am. And my first single is out today, music fans. Use this QR code to stream it now. But Nova, terrible person. Makes me sick.
Nova Jones is not talented enough to make sure everyone likes her. Judge? Judge?
Oh, that's better. Now, where were we?
You didn't hear that?
Nope, didn't hear any evidence there. Sorry. The jury must disregard it. Wipe it from your minds now.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
Objection! They're clearly jars of slime.
Jars of slime of the jury. Some may say you're just jars of wibbly wobbly goo. I say you have hearts. Same way. I say you love, you cry. Think of Nova Jones. How much you loved her music and her dancing, and to a lesser extent, her weekly reality show. Nova Jones is love. And in prison, she will not be on your screens to be loved. No. Your music players will never play Nova again. And if Nova cannot shine, then the brightest light in the universe will go out. So I say, let them...
Someone is setting off the talent sensors. Tone down the brilliant speechifying kid, or it's space prison for you too.
Sister, not bad. Let sister go.
What's that, jury? You have reached a verdict? Nova's guilty!
Believe we got through those shield generators so quickly. I told you we need those cardboard tubes and the bucket of paint and the fishing rod. Otherwise, those laser-sighted crocodiles would have. Go team!
Karen!
Nova, come on, we're gonna get you out of here.
I think I might deserve to be here.
I'm awful. No, you're not, Nova. Come on.
Nobody move!
I'm sorry, everyone. Turns out I love being a captain too much to hide it.
Hush now! You're all in big trouble. Imagine impersonating a police officer.
Why? That's what you're doing.
Okay, let's get you locked up.
No. While we were trapped in the electrical grids and the heating ducts, I figured it out. This is ridiculous. Like, why couldn't I find anything on the talent laws? Why did the inspector not let us call her head office? And who stands to gain from Nova being out the charts? Oh, I know!
Is that the time? I must be going.
And who stands to gain the most from Nova being out the charts? It was Johnny all along!
Wait, who is that?
This is my cellmate, Elspeth. Elspeth, this is McLaren. Sid,
Hang on.
Sensation!
So, not Johnny.
Nova Jones and her sister McLaren, spoiling my plans again. Ever since.
I quit. I'm going home, and you'll regret the day you ever insulted Sensation.
Since you ruined my huge acting career, I've been plotting my revenge. A huge music career. I needed to get rid of you so I could be a pop sensation. So I made a talent detector on my old oven timer and used my acting talent to convince you I was the police.
That's why you went to the bathroom in the middle of the trial. So you could play yourself on the screen.
And you dressed as Elspeth, so...
So you'd give me all your career secrets? But you just droned on about how guilty you felt.
Wowee. So, I'm not guilty. But you made me feel really bad about being really good. And about being lazy and vain and sick in a hat.
You should feel bad about those last three.
That's not even how you get into music, Mrs. Evil Impersonator. You don't make all the talented people worse. You have to be better.
Good management is absolutely the place to start. Someone who schedules your practices, posts your tracks to Spacegram, gives you honest feedback, build word of mouth. Go on.
McLaren, stop giving her tips.
And so began the trial of sensation. A trial people are calling, really quick, Jocelyn, she must be guilty. The trial lasted just 25 minutes. 24 minutes to watch the whole adventure back, and 1 minute for the jars of slime to deliver a guilty verdict. Nova Jones returned to pop superstardom and decided not to feel guilty about anything ever again. McLaren is working on reminding Nova not to do bad things, just in case. The Captain of the North is currently enjoying his 93rd year as a space captain.
I'm only 34.
Sensation is still stuck in her spaceship cell until somebody lets her out. Let's leave her a few more days, shall we?